Hi, would you like to build a sustainable race car? If so, let's go to the lab.
Science rules. Inertia is a property of matter. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2.
Welcome back to Leonardo's Science Lab, and in today's video, we will be making cheap mousetrap cars. We will be needing a few materials. 4 CDs, 4 bobby pins, with or without string, painter's tape, a mousetrap, string, zip ties, a straw, pliers, clippers, a measuring tape, 2 painter sticks or pieces of wood, and a 36-inch wooden dowel, and a hot glue gun. You will also be needing a drill and a bit and a handsaw. But with these, make sure you have parent supervision. For the first step in making our mousetrap car, you will be needing to cut your dowel into one 30-centimeter piece long stick and one 15-centimeter long stick, and 3 20-centimeter long sticks. Now we'll be needing to drill a hole big enough so that our dowels can fit through our piece of wood or painter stick. Now that we drilled our holes in our wood pieces, let's move on to cutting the cardboard. The measurement for our cardboard is 9.5 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters long. Now that we have our 2 cardboard pieces cut out, we need to glue them together with the hot glue gun. And remember, with the hot glue gun, make sure you have parent supervision. Now that we have our 2 cardboard pieces glued together, we need to get our piece of wood or painter stick and glue it in the middle of your 2 holes that we drilled earlier. Now that we're waiting for the hot glue to dry, we need to get the hot glue gun and glue the bobbins to our CD tires in the middle. Now that we glued our bobbins to our discs, we need to get the 20 centimeter dowels and insert them into the holes we made earlier in our mousetrap cars. I decided to take off the thread from the sewing bobbins so that the car can have a more aerodynamic speed and agility. Now, let's insert the wheel into the car. The first thing we will need to do is get our 20 centimeter long dowel, insert it through the front of the car, then we get our wheel and insert the wheel into the wooden dowel until it is a tight fit. And make sure you have enough space for the end over here. If it's not inserted tightly, make sure you glue the sewing bobbin to the wooden dowel. This is how it should look now. Now that we have our axis glued in with both wheels, so it's a functioning car, we need to get our mousetrap and glue it in the center of our car. However, please make sure that the head of the mousetrap is facing the head of your car, like this. At this point, we have glued in our mousetrap, but for the next step, we need to get our 30 centimeter long dowel and our 15 centimeter long dowel. We need to get a 30 and zip. That scared me. For the next step, we need to get our wooden dowels, the 30 centimeter and the 15 centimeter, and zip tie one on the right side and the other on the left side. And then after we zip tie them very tight, we need to glue them so that they're very secure. Here we go. I did one side of the mousetrap, and now I'm gonna cut off the extra bit, and then I'm going to get the 15 centimeter one and do the exact same zip tying, but on the other side of the mousetrap. Make sure you tighten it very well. For more security, make sure you hot glue gun both sides of your mousetrap. Here's when you get your last zip tie and zip tie it to the end of your mousetrap car. And when you cut it, make sure you cut it with a little space because we will be needing that for the next step. At this point, we need to get our string and measure 90 centimeters and 60 centimeters. Now when you have your hoop, you want to make sure that it fits around your zip tie at the end of your mousetrap car, and then see if while you wrap it, it'll wrap and stay secure. Our cheap mousetrap car is finished. Let's test its abilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun making your own sustainable race car.